it's been a fantastic, it's been a phenomenal journey. From the start, to be honest, it was a lot of money for me. I was just, I've just recently graduated as well, and it's actually about value. And I've said this to the speakers as well, because I really, really, truly feel it. Had I known the amount of value that I was getting out of this, I don't even want to call it a course, it's an experience. Out of this experience that we've done learning about implants, had I known about that at the start, I would have paid double. Really, really, really. It's so undervalued. It had people known, I wish I could express that to people, that it's actually so much more that you're getting out of this. We were up till 3 a.m. some nights, and there was a lot of laughs, a lot of dancing, a lot of having fun, also a lot of learning throughout the course from start to finish. It was amazing. So really a massive thank you to Sam, Mukesh, Azhar, and the whole team in Cairo and England. Thank you, genuinely.